Hi guys, this is Kevin. So today I'm gonna show you guys to how coronavirus is spreading very fast to the world. For example, so we're coming from outside and we touch to everywhere. Also we open the door and once we coming from outside and we go to bathroom and we wash hand and we touch here. So that's how coronavirus is spreading very fast. Because you can see it here, you see? Only doctor can see in the hospital. So because we don't know where's the coronavirus, right? Where's the virus? You don't see here anymore. So even though you use the hand sanitizer, you don't see here. Before you put the water and you touch here. You touch here, you put the water and it's already here now. I put here turmeric powder. You see the yellow color. So now we can see the color here, right? Okay, this is just example. So this is the virus. Okay, once I coming from outside and we open the door and turn on the light, you see now I touch there, right? You see now you can see here it's yellow, right? You need to wash it 20 seconds, minimum 20 seconds. You need to watch this one too to protect your families and others. Then that's the how spreading the coronavirus to the family. If you don't watch that, once you finish, then you need to wipe everything. Whatever you touch when you come in, you need to wipe that. Door handle and the light, everything. Alright? That's it. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.